Sir, I am going to discuss problem number 4, sir. Please listen carefully. AB Manufacturing Company manufactures two products, namely A and B. So, here company produces and sells two types of products, namely A and B. Both products use a common raw material item C. So, here raw material item is same, only one type of raw material item is used for both the products, that is C. The raw material C is purchased at the rate of 45 rupees per kg, that is the unit price per kg of raw material. The company has made estimates for the year ended 31st March 2018 for budget period as under. Okay, right. So, estimations are given, sir. Sales in units of product A, budget sales quantity of product A 36,000, budget sales quantity of product B 16,700. Next, finished goods stock increased by the end of in units 860, 400. 860, 400, sir. Suppose here, for example, opening stock, problem number 4, sir. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. For example, opening stock of finished goods 4,000. Closing stock of finished goods 6,000. So, finished goods stock increased by the year end. Finished goods stock increased by the year end 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees. Simply 2,000 rupees. So, here no need to mention opening stock and closing stock, sir. For example, current period production. Current period production. Current period production. For example, current period production 25,000 units. So, generally production plus closing stock minus opening stock. Am I right? So, production equation, sir. Just wait, sir. Not current period production, sir. Current period budget sales quantity, sir. Sorry, budget sales quantity. So, calculate the production. Production in quantity. So, example, sir. Example. Opening stock of finished goods 4,000, closing stock of finished goods 6,000, budget sales quantity 25,000, production quantity question mark. Sir, formula, sir, equation, sir, production quantity equal to sales in quantity plus closing stock in quantity minus opening stock in quantity. So, sales in quantity plus closing stock in quantity minus opening stock in quantity. Sir, sales in quantity 25,000, sir, plus closing stock in quantity 6,000 minus opening stock in quantity 4,000. So, 25,000 plus 6,000 minus 4,000 is equal to 27,000. Is equal to 27,000. Same information sometimes is given alternatively. Budget sales quantity 25,000. Here, budget sales quantity 25,000. Next, finished goods stock increased by finished goods stock increased by finished goods stock increased by previously 4,000 sir, currently 6,000 sir. Finished goods stock increased by 2,000 rupees. So in this case, production equal to budget sales quantity 25,000 plus finished goods stock increased by 2,000, so 27,000. So this is the second model, sir. Okay. So in this problem, finished goods stock increased by product A 860, product B 400. Right. Next, post-production rejection rate is So that means after completion of the production, these goods are sent to laboratory for testing. So in testing department, 3% rejection, sir. Product A, product B rejection 5%, sir. So 5%. Okay, right. So here budget sales quantity is nothing but good units. Budget sales quantity is nothing but good units, sir. Finished goods stock also good units. So all are good units. So good units equivalent to 97% of product A, B 95%. So post-production rejection rate is material product A 3%, product B 5%. Next. Okay. So these are the main points related to finished goods, sir. Sir, here production, sir. Production of good units. 36,000 plus 860. 36,000 plus 860. So 36,860, sir. Purely good units, sir. Purely good units. Okay, sir. Right. Post-production rejection rate 3%. So after rejection, good units are 36,860. 36,860. Okay, sir. Right. So this is equal to 97 divided by 97 into 100 is equal, sir, 1 minute, 36,860 divided by 97 into 100 is equal 38,000, sir. 38,000 units. So the good units equivalent to 97%, sir. Into 100 total production units. Total production units 38,000, right. So here first bit, you are required to prepare functional budgets for the year ended 31st March 2018 under the following categories. Number 1, production budget for product A and product B in units. So first prepare the production budget for product A and product B. Production budget. Problem number 4. Production budget. Production budget for product A and product B. For product A and product B and product B and product B in units. So production budget for product A and product B in units. So product A, sir, product A, product B, product B. Particulars. Here opening and closing stocks are not given, sir. Just finished goods increased part is given, sir. Finished goods stock increased by year end. So increased part is given. So that is very simple. So budget sales quantity, budget sales in quantity, 36,000 plus 16,700. Right. Add finished goods stock increased by year end. So stock increased by year end. Stock increased by year end. So that means difference of opening stock and closing stock, sir. So stock increased by year end. In this case, closing stock is more than the opening stock, sir. So stock increased by year end 860, 400. 860, 400. Next. Okay, production in units. That is good units. So 36,860 36,860, 16,700 plus 400, 17,100. Next. So this is the good unit, sir. So here rejection rate in terms of percentage. Rejection rate in terms of percentage. 3%, 5%. 3%, 5%. 3%, 5%. That is the rejection rate in terms of percentage. Right. Now we will get production, total production. Total production in units. So total production in units including rejection units. Including rejection. Units. Right. So this is equivalent to 97%, sir. 36,860 divided by 97 into 100. So 36,860 divided by 97 into 100. 38,000 units. 38,000 units. Next, 17,100. 17,100 divided by 95 into 100. 17,100 divided by 95 into 100 is equal to 18,000 units. 18,000 units. Please check the answer. Right, sir. Correct, sir. 38,000 units, 18,000 units. Next. Here, purchase budget for raw materials in KS and in value. Sir, please observe, there were no inventory levels, sir. There were no inventory levels. There were no inventory levels, sir. There were no inventory levels. Okay, sir. There were no inventory levels, sir, of raw material items. There were no inventory levels of raw material items. So, if there were no inventory levels of raw material items, then consumption is equal to purchase. Purchase quantity, consumption quantity, both are same. So, here 1 unit required 4 Ks. 1 unit required 4 Ks, sir. 1 unit required 4 Ks of product A. 1 unit of product A required 4 Ks of raw material. 1 unit of product B required 5 Ks of raw material. Okay. So, raw material here no need to prepare consumption, sir. Here consumption and purchase both are equal, sir. There were no inventory levels. So, raw material purchase budget in KS and in value. Raw material purchase budget. Raw material purchase budget in KE and value. So, that means in quantity and value. Right. Raw material item C. Raw material item C. Particulars. Particulars. Okay, right. First, product A. Sir, here both products require same raw material item. Both product requires same raw material item. Product A required quantity of raw material equal to required quantity of raw material C. So, required quantity of raw material C equal to, sir, here production, sir, 38,000 units, production volume 38,000 units, production in units, into raw material required per unit. Raw material required per unit. So, production in units, sir, 38,000 units, 38,000 units into raw material required per unit, 4 Ks. 4 Ks, 38,000 into 4, 1,52,000. 1,52,000 Ks. So, product A required quantity of raw material C equal to production in units into raw material required per unit. So, 38,000 units into 4 Ks, 1,52,000 Ks. Next, product B. Product B. Product B. Required quantity of raw material C equal to required quantity of raw material C equal to required quantity of raw material C equal to production in units, into raw material required per unit. raw material required per unit. So, second item production, sir, 18,000 units. 18,000 units. 18,000 units into 1 unit of product B required quantity 5 Ks. 5 Ks. So, 18,000 into 5. So, 90,000. 90,000 Ks. 90,000 Ks. So, total requirement, sir. Total requirement 1,52,000 plus 92,000, 90,000, 2,42,000, 2,42,000 Ks. This is the total requirement. This is the total requirement. Next, here one more point is there. Sir, at the time of processing, wastage 5%. So, wastage in processing 5%, sir. Wastage, add wastage. Wastage 5%. So, this is the total usage. So, that is total usage. So, that is total usage, sir. Total usage. Total usage of raw material C. So, at the time of processing, wastage 5%, sir. So, purchase quantity of raw material C is equal, so this is equal to 95%. So, 2,42,000 divided by 95 into 100. So, sir, 2,54,736. Please check the answer. Please check the answer, sir. So, here 90 plus 152. 90 plus 152. Am I right? Okay. Right. Please see the printed solution at this stage. 4. Right. Please. Problem number 4. Right. So, production budget exactly correct, sir. So, material needed production 1,52,90. Exactly correct, sir. Okay, sir. 1,52,90. Right. Right. Okay, correct, sir. Sir, here wastage A, product A percentage differ product B percentage, sir. Here 5%, 4%, sir. So, pro forma mention product wise, sir. Okay, sir. Right, wait, sir. Just wait. Just wait, sir. Product wise, sir. Here percentage different, sir. Wait. Right. Just wait. So, product A 1,52,000, product B 90,000. Okay, sir. So, 1 minute, sir. So, close this statement at this part. at this stage. Right. So next this is the raw material required, raw material purchase, not purchaser, raw material required, raw material required budget, raw material required, raw material required of each product, of each product, of each product. Okay. Next, raw material purchase budget, raw material purchase budget in quantity, raw material purchase budget in quantity. So, product A, product B, product A, product B, particulars, raw material needed, sir, for the production activity, raw material needed for the production. So, raw material needed for the production, sir, for the production. So, this is shown as working note, sir. 1,52,000, 90,000, 1,52,000 KS, 90,000 KS. Add wastage, add wastage. So, in terms of percentage, so 5%, sir, so that is equivalent to 95%, sir. So, 95, 1,52,000, sir. So, 5%, sir, right. 1,52,000 divided by 95 into 5. So, 8,000. 8,000. Next, here percentage is 4%. 4%. This is equivalent to 96. 96. 90,000 divided by 96 into 4. So, 90,000 divided by 96 into 4 is equal to into 4, 3750, 3750, 3750, right, 3750. So, raw material purchase, raw material purchase in quantity, 3750 plus 90,000, 93,750, next 1,60,000, 1,60,000 KS, 1,60,000 KS, that is raw material purchase in quantity. Next, unit price of raw material is mentioned in the problem. Unit price of raw material here mentioned, sir. Here unit price of raw material 45 rupees per kg. So, unit price of raw material 45 rupees per kg, sir. So, total raw material purchase quantity, total raw material purchase quantity equal to 1,60,000 plus 93,750, 1,60,000 plus 93,750, 1,60,000 plus 93,750 is equal to 2,53,750 750 KS. Next, raw material purchase in value. Total raw material purchase in value. Total raw material purchase in value is equal to 2,53,750 into 2,53,750 into 45 rupees. 45 rupees into 45 is equal to, sir, 114 lakhs 18,750. Please check the answer. 114 lakhs 18,750. Correct, sir. 114 lakhs 18,750. So that is the raw material purchase budget in quantity and in value. Next, sir, next calculate the economic order quantity in KS of raw material C. Okay, B bit, calculation of EOQ. Next bit, B bit, sir, calculation of EOQ. Calculation of EOQ of raw material item C. Calculation of EOQ of raw material item C. Annual purchase quantity of raw material C. Annual purchase quantity of raw material C, that is denoted by A. That is denoted by A. So annual purchase quantity of, sir, here heading is missing, sir. So calculation of EOQ of raw material item C. Annual purchase quantity of raw material C in brackets A equal to annual purchase quantity of raw material C, sir. Annual purchase quantity of raw material C in brackets A is equal to 114 lakh, sorry, that is value, sir, quantity, sir, 2,53,750. 2,53,750 KS. Annual purchase quantity of raw material C, 2,53,750. Next, ordering cost per order, sir. Ordering cost per order is given, sir, 250 rupees. Ordering cost per order. Ordering cost per order, 250 rupees. Ordering cost per order, 250 rupees. Next, carrying costs are 9% of unit price of raw material. So carrying cost per unit per annum equal to 9% of unit price of raw material. 9% of unit price of raw material. Sir, here unit price of raw materials are 45. So 9% of 45. 45 into 9%. 4.05. 4.05. So here C ready, O ready, A ready. EOQ formula, sir, EOQ equal to square root of 2AO by C. So EOQ equal to square root of 2AO by C, that equal to 2 into A. A how much, sir? Annual purchase quantity or annual demand, 2,53,750. 2,53,750. 2,53,750 into O, ordering cost per order, 250 by C by C 4.05. 4.05. So 2 into 2,53,750 2,53,750 into 250 divided by 4.05. Right, sir. 31,32,000. Root apply also. Just wait. Here root is sir 5,597.07. 5,597.07, approximately 5,597. So 5,597 kgs bracket lo in brackets approximately. In brackets approximately. So that is the problem number 4. So 4 completed, sir. 4 completed. Next problem number 5, sir. V Limited company name, sir. Company produces and markets a very popular product, sir. X. That means company produces and sells a single product, namely X. The company is interested in presenting its budget for the second quarter of 2019. The company is interested in presenting its budget for the second quarter of 2019. So, second quarter of 2019 budget details are given. The following information are made available for this purpose. It expects to sell 50,000 bags of X during the second quarter of 2019. So, second quarter of 2019 budget sales quantity 50,000 bags. Selling price is 900 rupees per bag. Okay. Each bag of X requires 2.5 kgs of raw material Y and 7.5 kgs of raw material Z. So, here product requires 2 raw material items, namely Y and Z. Each, okay, right. Next. Stock levels are planned as follows. Sir, here stocks levels are maintained. So, finished goods of X, beginning of the quarter 15,000, ending of the quarter 11,000. Okay. Next, raw material Y 32,000, 26,000. Raw material Z 57,000, 47,000. Next, empty bags, sir. So, empty bags are bagging and packing. So, 37,000 inventory opening, 28,000 closing. Okay, right. Next, Y cost, unit price of raw material item 120, unit price of raw material item Y 120, unit price of raw material item Z 20 rupees. Empty bag cost, unit price 80 rupees. It requires, sir, here 3 raw materials are used, sir. Each bag of X requires 2.5 kgs of raw material Y, 7.5 kgs of raw material Z and also one empty bag. Okay, right. Okay, empty bag unit price are 80 rupees. It requires 9 minutes of direct labor to produce and fill one bag of X. Labor cost is 50 rupees per hour. Variable manufacturing rate, variable manufacturing cost means variable manufacturing overheads 45 rupees per bag. Fixed manufacturing cost 30 lakhs per quarter. Okay, variable selling and administrative expenses 5% of sales and fixed administrative selling expenses 20 lakhs 50,000. Okay. Prepare a production budget for the set quarter. So, set quarter means second quarter of 2019. Second quarter of 2019. So, first prepare the production budget for the second quarter of 2019. So, problem number, sir, problem number 5. Problem number 5. Problem number 5. Problem number 5. So, production budget in quantity for the second quarter of 2019. for the second quarter of 2019. So, production budget in quantity for the second quarter of 2019. 2019. Right. So, here product name is X. Product name is X, sir. Product X in quantity. Particulars. First, budget sales quantity. Add closing inventory, closing stock of finished goods in quantity less opening stock of finished goods. In quantity. Right. Budget sales quantity, sir. Here budget sales quantity. So, it is first point, sir. Please see that first point. It expects to sell 50,000 bags of X during the second quarter of 2019. 50,000 bags. 50,000 bags. Next, closing inventory, sir, 11,000. Opening inventory, sir, 15,000. 15,000 bags. Production in quantity. So, 50,000 plus 11,000, 61,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 46,000 bags. 46,000 bags. That is the production. Please check the answer. Please see the printed solution, sir. Problem number 5, see the printed solution. Right. Sir, 46,000 correct, sir. 46,000 correct, sir. Next, so next, sir, raw material purchase budget in quantity. Raw material purchase budget in quantity. Okay. So here raw material, sir. Raw material name Y, Z, next empty bags. So, see the question, sir. Problem number 5. Sir, raw material purchase budget X, Y and empty bags of the said quarter in rupees, in quantity and as well as in rupees. So, raw material purchase budget. Raw material purchase budget in quantity as well as in value. Raw material purchase budget in quantity as well as in value. So, here raw material names. Raw material Y. Next, raw material Z. Empty bags. Particulars. particulars. Okay. Okay, right. Sir, first you have to calculate consumption, sir, raw material consumption. So, next adjust the inventory levels, then we get purchase, sir. Okay, here products, only one product, sir. So, production in units into raw material consumption. First we have to find out raw material consumption. Raw material consumption in quantity. Raw material consumption quantity equal to raw material consumption quantity equal to production in units, production in quantity into raw material required per unit or per bag, raw material required per bag. Sir, here production, sir, 46,000 bags. 46,000 bags. Each bag required, each bag required, here mentioned, sir, each bag required 2.5 Ks, 2.5 Ks. So 46,000 into 2.5, 1,15,000 Ks. Next 46,000 Ks into raw material Z, sir. Raw material Z 7.5 Ks. 7.5 kg equal to 46,000 into 7.5 is equal to 3,45,000 Ks. 3,45,000 Ks. Next, empty bag, sir. So, each bag requires one empty bag. So, that is common, 46,000 bags. Then adjust the inventory levels. Add closing stock minus opening stock. Add closing inventory of raw material. Closing inventory of raw material in quantity. In quantity. Right. Sir, raw material Y, beginning of the quarter, that is the opening inventory, 32,000. Closing, sir, closing 26,000, sir. 26,000. Next, closing inventory of raw material Z, 47,000. Next, bags, 28,000 bags. 28,000 bags. Next, less opening inventory of raw material. Opening inventory of raw material in quantity. Opening inventory of raw material in quantity. 32,000 of raw material Y. 32,000 Ks, sir. Next, 57,000 Ks. 57,000 Ks. Next, 37,000 bags. 37,000 bags. So, finally, raw material purchase. So, raw material purchase in quantity. Raw material purchase in quantity. Sir, first item quantity, sir. So, 1,15,000. 1,15,000 plus 26,000. 26,000 minus 32,000 is equal to 1,09,000. 1,09,000 KS. Next, 3,45,000 plus 47,000, 57,000, 4,49,000, 4,49,000 KS. Next, 46,000 plus 28,000, 37,000. So 1,11,000. 1,11,000 bags. This is the purchase quantity. Please check the answers. Please check the answers, sir. Right. Here, second bit answer, sir. 1,09,000. Correct answer. Next, sir. Next answer. So change, sir. Please see the printed solution. Please see the printed solution, sir. So problem number 5. Right. Sir, here answers correct, sir. In textbook printings are mistakes, sir. So please rectify. 1,09,000 correct answer. 3,35,000 correct. Sir, just wait, sir. Not 3,35,000. Once, wait. Sir, here 3,92,000. 46,000 into 7.5. 46,000 into 7.5. So multiplication 46,000 into 7.5. So 3,45,000. Okay. Next 47,000. Okay. Next 57,000. So 3,45,000 plus 47,000 minus 57,000. So 3,35,000. Okay, sir. Here wrongly calculation, sir. So values, presented values, sir. Okay, sir. But calculator mistake, sir. So 3,35,000. 3,35,000. Next one, bags 46,000. Okay. Next 28,000. Okay. Here, please, opening stock 37,000. Okay, right. Sir, just 46,000 plus 28,000 minus 37,000 is equal. Okay, sir. Here calculator mistake, sir. Here. So 37,000. Okay. Presented values are same, sir, but calculation mistakes, sir. Okay. Okay. So this is the raw material purchase. Next, value, sir. Unit price of raw material. Unit price of raw material. Here unit price of raw material is, please see the problem. Unit price of raw material. Unit price of raw material. Right. Unit price of raw material, sir. Problem number 5. Unit price of raw material Y 120, sir. 120. Next, unit price of raw material Z 20, sir. 20. Next, bag 80 rupees, sir. Bag 80. Right. Raw material purchase in value. Raw material purchase in value. Raw material purchase in value. So equal to purchase in quantity into unit price. Raw material purchase in quantity, into unit price of raw material, right. So 1,09,000 into 120, so 130 lakhs 80,000 rupees. Please check the answer. 130 lakhs 80,000 rupees. So here answer is not mentioned, sir. Okay, don't worry. Next, 3 lakhs 35,000. 3 lakhs 35,000. 3 lakhs 35,000 into 20. So 67 lakhs. 67 lakhs. 67 lakhs. 37,000 into 80. 29 lakhs. 29 lakhs 60,000. Please see the printed solution. Please see the printed solution, sir. Please see the printed solution. Problem number 5. Okay. Sir, exactly correct, sir. 130 lakhs 80, okay. 67 lakhs, okay. 29 lakhs 60,000, okay, sir. So this is the raw material purchase budget in quantity, raw material purchase budget in value. Next, sir, next variable cost of production, sir. Variable cost of production means raw material cost, raw material cost for one bag. Next, direct labor cost, next variable manufacturing overheads, then we get variable cost of production per bag, So next bit, calculation of variable cost of production bag, sir. Please see that. Problem number 5, sir. So prepare compute the budgeted variable cost to produce one bag of X. So variable production cost for 1 unit bag, sir. Variable production cost, calculation of variable production cost, variable production cost for 1 unit of product X, So calculation of variable production cost for 1 unit of product X. Particulars amount in rupees, right. Sir, 1 unit of X required, 2.5 kgs of raw material. So first, direct material cost, sir. Variable production cost includes 3 elements. Sir. Direct material cost, direct labor cost, direct expenses, and also variable production overheads. 4 elements, sir. Generally direct expenses nil, sir. So 3 unte, sir. General aithe 4 elements, sir. Direct material cost, direct labor cost, direct expenses. So here there is no direct expenses, sir. Okay. Next, variable production overheads. Variable production overheads are variable manufacturing overheads, collectively called as variable production cost. Right. So direct material cost, sir. Direct material cost. Sir, here 3 raw materials are used. raw material Y, raw material Z, raw material bag, empty bag. So, raw material Y is equal to 1 unit product X required 2.5 Ks, sir. Okay, 2.5 Ks. Next, raw material Y, not Y, sir, Z, raw material Z 7.5 Ks, 7.5 Ks, sir. Next, empty bag is equal to 1 bag multiplied with the unit price. Unit price already given in the problem, sir. So, unit price already given in the problem. So, we will continue next class, sir. Okay, right.